Hello and welcome to this Smart Learner tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to deal with the M6 roundabout in Coventry. In this first clip we are approaching from Coventry towards the M6 roundabout and we'll be taking the fourth exit B4113 towards Bedworth. This is a right turn, so on approach to the roundabout we should have our right indicator on. Do be aware that this roundabout is also controlled by traffic lights and therefore we should be cautious on approach and during the roundabout. As we enter the roundabout, we want to follow the line that is on our inside and we want to spiral out towards the second lane later on. As you can see, we follow the line to our left and it begins to spiral out, so we will follow it. This will take us into the second leftmost lane and we'll follow this all the way round. And as you can see, it spirals out one more time, taking us into the leftmost lane. And obviously, this is now passing the exit before the one we're going to take, so we'll indicate left here. Do also be aware that on approach, the lights are on red, so in this occasion, we will need to stop and wait for the lights. As the lights go green, we continue, and as this is our exit, we just follow the curb round, and it's as easy as that. In this next clip, we are again approaching from Coventry towards the M6 roundabout, however this time we are going straight on, second exit towards Nuneaton. So as you can see by the sign on screen, we will be using the second lane, and again it is controlled by traffic lights, so be aware of that on approach. On this occasion they are on red, so we will need to wait for green. As the lights go green, we take off and we'll be following the lane marking to our right here. So as you can see, we follow it round and it will take us into the left lane. And we just follow this all the way round, indicate left and follow the curb as this is our exit. Just continue staying in our lane and follow the road round. In this next video, we'll be approaching the M6 roundabout from Bedworth or the Longford Island, and we'll be taking the first exit left towards Coventry. So as you can see, on approach to the roundabout, we will be taking the left lane and also indicating left here. This part of the roundabout is not controlled by traffic lights, so you'll need to look right on approach to make sure that it's clear. We then follow the curb round and join the new road heading towards Coventry, and as you saw by the sign there, it is a 50. In this next clip we will be approaching the M6 roundabout from Nuneaton and we will be going second exit straight on towards B4113 or Bedworth. As we approach, the lights are on red, so we'll need to wait for those to go green. So the lights go green and we head off. So what we want to do here is come across into the leftmost lane, as this will enable us to be in the correct lane to take the second exit. We'll indicate left as we've just passed the exit before the one we're going to take, and as before we're just going to follow the curb round. This one could be a little bit more tricky, but as long as you get the lane right you should be fine. In this next clip we are going to be taking the third exit straight on towards Coventry. This one's a little bit more tricky, but as the last one, we enter approaching in the second lane. And again, the lights are on red, so we'll need to wait. So the lights go green, and this time, rather than coming across in the first or leftmost lane, we're actually going to carry over into the second lane. As you can see from the writing on the road here, it actually says A444, and that's the one that we are looking to take. And the reason we don't want to be into the left lane here is because, as you can see, as we would follow round, we spiral out here. So if you're in the left lane, you would have to cut in front of traffic, and that's something that we definitely don't want to happen. So as we pass the exit before the one we're going to take, we indicate left and merge onto the new road. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did find this helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe so you don't miss our newest content. And we have some really good videos coming soon to help you with maneuvers, roundabouts and theory. We think you're really going to enjoy that content, so subscribe and ding the bell so you don't miss that. And if you're on Facebook, make sure to share this with friends. Again, like the video, follow us, just so you don't miss content, and also, it may help someone out on your friends list.